Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 4K quality editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut, and then you can import the video that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to import this video and I'm going to create 4K quality with this video. Okay, and we're going to apply blur effect to this video. You can go to the effect, select video effect, and then you can search blur. Just type in blur like this, and then you can choose this blur effect. I'm going to apply it to my video. Okay, like this. And then wait, I'm going to remove the CapCut ending. And then you're going to go to the adjustment. You can go to the adjust and then go to the grab. Where is it? This one, grab. And then you can adjust the grab like this. Just follow my adjustment. You can adjust for all the colors. Okay, like this guys. And then I'm going to apply it and I'm going to export this video. And I recommend you to choose 1080p quality, or if you have subscribed to CapCut, you can choose 4K quality so it can create better quality for your video. Okay, done. And I'm going to create new project and import the original video, and then I'm going to overlay it with the video we have exported, this one. Then you're going to zoom in to fit the screen, go to displays, and then select color burn, and then you're going to reduce it around 30. Okay, and then click on the check mark, and then you're going to go to the overlay, go to the CapCut library and search for the white background from the library. I'm going to choose this white background, click on add and zoom in to fit the screen, and you can make it align with your video. Go to displays and go to overlay, and then you're going to make it around 80. Okay, done guys, and this is the result. And then you can export it in 4K if you have subscribed to CapCut, or you can choose 1080p quality. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 4K quality editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.